My nose itches.
Chasing the sun, all those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, all those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell. If you're returning, thank you so much. It means everything to me, it really does. And today's video is gonna be on my top 5 favorite drugstore setting powders. Now, before I forget, I did just film a video that I'm going to be posting tomorrow on Friday, even though today's Monday. Anyways, so if you want to know how I created this look, make sure you have that bell click so you can be notified tomorrow. And it's just an eye look tutorial, but I will have everything that I'm wearing linked in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. I'm just gonna grab one and go. Okay, one of my favorite is the Milani Translucent Light to Medium. It's ultra fine translucent powder, locks in makeup. I do feel like it helps keep my makeup there all day. It's non-chalky. I feel like it does make my skin look very smooth. Designed to work on light to medium skin tones. I feel like it does look really good on my skin. The color is really good. Next is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's mineral based, it's lightweight, translucent coverage. It gives a fresh natural look, can be used alone or over foundation. Now I do feel like it does give a natural look to my skin. It doesn't make it look cakey. This stuff is amazing. I know everybody talks about it, and yeah. It's worth talking about. It's awesome, y'all. It looks really pretty on the skin. Next is the No. 7 Translucent Perfect Light Loose Powder. This light diffusing powder blends evenly onto skin, reflecting light to smooth and disguise flaws, with vitamin E and provitamin B5 to care and condition, and hyaluronic acid to keep the skin hydrated. And I do feel like with my dry skin, which I say I have dry skin, in the summertime it's more combination because it can get oily or normal, like on my forehead and stuff. So for my combination skin, I feel like it looks really good underneath my eyes where I always have dry spots. It doesn't crease up, it doesn't flake up, you know, it looks really good. And another one that's hydrating is the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Perfect Loose Setting Powder. And I don't see any claims on this one, but it looks really pretty on the skin. It looks really pretty. It looks really fresh. It does not, you know, cling to dry patches. It looks really good. So if you have really dry skin and you're looking for a setting powder that won't make your face look dry, I would really recommend trying that. And next is the Flower Beauty Miracle Glow Satin Finishing Powder. It minimizes the appearance of imperfections and gives an ambient glow. Our satin formula absorbs oil and smooths skin with a soft focus effect. Micro pearl pigments diffuse light for an ambient glow, providing the ultimate finishing touch for your makeup. Now, I feel like it really does give a smooth look to my face. It doesn't make my face look dry or anything like that. It's a really nice powder to set your foundation and concealer. I love it. That was a short video. But those were my top 5 favorite drugstore setting powders. I highly recommend them all. They are amazing. Now, if you have just oily skin, I don't know how the hydrating one would work from L'Oreal. I don't know. But I love it. I think it looks awesome. Even if I am having a more oily forehead day, I feel like it looks pretty good, you know? So, that's it for today's video. If you like it, make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and you click the bell, because at this point I think I have like 50 to 1,000 subscribers, and once that happens, I'll be doing a giveaway. I'll film letting y'all know what all is in the giveaway, and I cannot wait. So make sure you're subscribed so you can be a part of that, and I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!